Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, we discussed how the price rebounded toward our first level at 108,500 after moving sideways around 107,000 over the weekend. We then expected another move toward 111,000, which was reached within the last 24 hours. Right now, the price is consolidating just below this horizontal level. In earlier updates, we noticed that nearly every movement, including the sharp drop on October 10th, was strongly influenced by the traditional markets, especially the S&P 500 and the Russell 2000. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 recovered completely from its recent dip, climbing more than 2.2% from the lows and returning to its previous high as if the correction never happened. If we apply that same proportion to Bitcoin's chart, the 1% rebound seen in equities equals about 7.7% upside from Bitcoin's recent lows. The additional 1.2% move in the S&P could correspond to a total of roughly 13% growth from Bitcoin's lows, bringing us into the range around 120,000. So if this correlation continues, levels near 115,000 and 120,000 may come into play very soon. Looking at the heat maps, the structure still supports the scenario of continued upward potential. Bright areas remain above current price levels across the 1-day, 3-day, and 1-week maps, aligning well with the broader trend we've been tracking. On the institutional side, inflow data continues to show a steady trend. Bitwise and Grayscale both reported net positive figures, totaling around 19.5 million in new inflows. 7 other major providers, including names like BlackRock, Fidelity, and ARK, have not yet published their reports, so additional inflows could still be added to the total by the end of the day. And in related corporate news, Michael Saylor announced that MicroStrategy has acquired 168 Bitcoin for about $18.8 million at an average price of $112,051 per coin. As of October 19, 2025, the company holds 640,418 Bitcoin, acquired for approximately $47.4 billion at an average price of $74,010 per coin. That's an enormous long-term position and a strong signal of continued institutional engagement. I'll continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time thoughts and discussions. Thanks for leaving a comment. It really helps the channel grow. Click the like button if you found value in this video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.